What's up everyone? Welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to hard reset on Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. That is a brand new one from Tecno company, and it got very big RAM and big memory. We do this when our phone is locked with passcode and we forgot the passcode. Alright, firstly you have to hold the volume up, volume down and the power together at the same time. Okay, just hold it until you can see the Infinix appear on the screen, and then you can release the power. Okay, and keep holding the both volume keys until you can see the XOS appear on the screen. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna count volume up, down, okay, and power at the same time. Okay, so let's go up, down, power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then release. The power key, keep holding the volume up and the volume down until you can see XOS appear on the screen. Okay, and right here you have to press the the power key and then the volume up. Okay, let's go power and volume up. Okay, right here is called recovery mode that we can hard reset our phone. Okay, so we have to choose the option called wipe data factory reset. Okay, that you have to use the volume up and down to find the option and the power key to confirm. Okay, so we have to go to the option called wipe data factory reset right here, and then press the power, and after that volume down, power to confirm, and the process of formatting data is working. And after that you have to press the power key to confirm. Okay, to reboot the system, and the phone will automatically reboot to the menu, and it may take about 5 minutes for rebooting. So that's it for hard reset on Infinix 50 Pro Plus. And everybody, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and ring the bell for the future videos. Goodbye.